This 2025 Grand Design Reflection 360 FLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 39 feet 2 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, TV, skylight, auxiliary battery, awning, LP detector, Slideout, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, smoke detector, stovetop burner, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Reflection 360 FLS is 12,388 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.